Everybody, Karen Good here, and today, yeah, apparently I fell into like a portal. I fell into something in the last video. I exploded, and now I'm in Subway Surfers. Let me just get this. I don't know how I got it. Nope. Here we go! Oh my god, good thing. Let me do it. Anyways, let's try to get as far as we can. If I fail, the video ends, alright? If I fail, the video ends. So let's try. Alright, let's just not die. It's not that hard, right? Like, we're in London, out of all places. London's easy to tackle. Alright, I can tell you this is not London! This is not London. This is easy, right? Easy. Oh, my good. Wait, what's this letter? Zodiac. Like the Zodiac sign? This is like the Zodiac sign. Also, sorry, I'm really sick right now. I woke up and I was like this, so... Ouch. This is really going good, bye! Oh my god. Crap. I'm gonna cough. If I cough, I'll mute it. No way. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, kill issue. Kill issue. Kill issue. Kill issue. Kill issue. Kill issue. I got a skill issue today. Alright, I was lucky. So, have I not died yet? My high score is like 1.5 million. Or like around 1.5 million. That's why I used like 100 skateboards in one run. That's how I got it. This is so London. This is so London. Okay, I completed another daily high score. This is not that. If you think about it, it's not that hard. It's just jumping trains and then collecting coins and not dying. It's just train run, but better. Okay, so I haven't died yet. I haven't died, so that's good, right? That's very good. That's very good. It's starting to get a little fast, but it's controllable. I haven't got a skateboard yet, so that's kind of concerning. I'm kind of concerning that I haven't got a skateboard yet. Also, like, the moment I like hit something and I die, it's just gonna cut to the outro. So, yeah, it would be depending on how long this video will be. Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god. Double coin? Double coin! Yeah! Let's go! They're collecting coins like crazy. Okay, no way I did that. No way I did that. No way. Ooh. Ooh. Whoa. Oh my gosh. 10 plus multiplier. I'm getting the max amount of score right now. There's no way. I'm grinding. Subway Surfers. Alright, to be honest, this game is really easy. Oh no! Oh, I might die. I might die. Just chill out. If I chill out, I won't die. Ooh. 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 Oh my god. I died. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Change lanes. Maybe that'll be good. Alright. If I beat my high score, which it could be like in like 10 minutes or something, then that could be really surprising. And it could be all captured on video. Also, pause if I didn't put the high score. I'm really hoping I beat that high score of like about 1.5 million. Oh crap! Oh! Chat. This is my last video. This is my last video. Oh crap! Crap! Oh no! It's getting a little hard. It's getting a little hard, but I'm still going, and that's good. That's very good. Like if I'm still going, that means I'm like a pretty good player at Subway Surfers. But I've only been playing for like less than a month, so I don't know about that. Yeah, I'm really sick. Where? 48. Wait. I'm still going as well. Hold up. Wait. The fact that I've actually made it this far also helped me. Alright, so the fact that I made it this far is pretty wild. Okay, it's getting a little risky. But other than that, I've been doing very, very good. Like, I'm surprised I even made it this far. I can't even make it that far, like, earlier. Just a few weeks ago. Was that necessary? No. Did it look cool? Heck yeah. I see my last video. This is my last video. No, we are still going. 48. Oh my god, little man! Why is the officer built like that? Why there's no way to chase me that much of like with that type of build, bro? Like, there's no way to chase me with that type of build. I don't know how long I've been recording, so this video may be long, but who cares? It's a good video, and I'm really good at Subway Surfers. There's no way I'm doing it. There's no way. Oh! There's no way. Alright, I'm doing pretty good. Ranked rewards available. Maybe. Oh, no way. Wait. I'm making it. Okay. So far, we're like more than half a million to a million. And I've been doing pretty good. So, yeah, pretty good. Oh my gosh. Pretty good so far, pretty good. Don't die, Jake. Or Jack. that was actually uh okay, pretty good, going good so far. There's no way I'm making it. It's this far. It's this goddamn far. Whoa! Oh no! Hold up. I need skateboard real quick. Right, skateboard is still the default one because it can be the default one. Doing pretty good. I got double jump now. I could have double jump. I jump extra high. Y'all tell me!